episode of I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna do it anyways. I got uh, simplicity. Most of my friends will know this mower as the super simplicity. You point at something like it'll go through it or crawl up it. Today she's getting a little love. She's getting a motor put back in her because springtime here in Minnesota. Well, not really. Dang it. But we're gonna get her going. So we go around playing the slough, find some rocks, you know. Probably take you guys along with me for that. It should be pretty interesting, if I must say. Built this girl about thinking 2 years ago. After I drug her out of the pasture. So with that, I'll bring you guys right in. Here she is in all of her glory. I got an old front axle. What's that out of? It's out of an old snapper. I don't even remember what it was. She just bolted right in. So now we got dual pivot points. The only problem is she's a little floppy. This is also the flavor where she pivots in the middle. That stupid twist belt. I don't like that at all. She's got some 23-inch eggs out back. They're pretty nice. They're really nice. Got her license plate fender flares. I like those. They're nice. Real nice. 8-inch. Carsile snow hawgs. No, them are mint. One dirt racing sticker. I don't know where that came from. Probably garbage can. Street rod life. So on a street lot. Even though this thing ain't a street rod. There's our hood. Marta. There's our motor. I gotta go in there. I think I gotta go do that. So I'll let you guys up here and we'll get right into that. Throw my hat on here. Last time you guys saw me, I was doing a little walk around with the old girl and I pointed towards the engine over here. I just got done putting a crank seal in it. Just popped the bottom case off, got the pulley off it, and whoop-de-doo, hee-haw, here we go. Oh. In you go. No, not up there. Whoa, 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 I'm gonna have to take that grill off. Yep, grill's coming off. Well, dang it. I think she's gonna work though, fellers. This could just leave her like that. Well, I don't think the exhaust is gonna work. So, I'll flip the camera off here and I'm gonna whip that grill off here. Get the motor back in. I'll bolt her down and I'll bring you guys back in. Okay, so it's been a little while since you guys last saw me, and I can see the motor's bolted in, real nice like. I ghetto rigged up a little fuel system here, and can't see underneath there is there's a pulley on the crank and it's ready to go. Well, not quite. I do gotta put some oil in it, which I'm flinging it over. Really shouldn't be doing that. Well, as long as it's not running, we should be alright. But she's coming together. Muffler ain't gonna work, so I think we're gonna go ahead and grill this. That's alright. Cooling. Yeah. I think here we'll get some fuel in her. See if she'll run. She runs. Probably go for a ride. So, what did I say I was gonna do? Forgot what I said I was gonna do. It'll come back to me. I'll let you guys go here. Okay, well this is just gonna be an attempt. I don't know if she's gonna fire or not. If she does, we'll take it for a little rip. I'll set you guys up. If not, whatever. Sorry about the wind. She's gonna make the audio a little crazy. See what she'll do. Get down on it. Help me if I turn the fuel on a bit here. I ain't got no throttle in this little either, so. Sure she's gonna want some choke. Grab a screwdriver. I guess the Sharpie works. Just jam this choke closed. Ooh, jumpy. You know, I don't think we're getting any spark. Let's see what we got. Oh, plenty of spark. Hey, this is that nut went. Maybe get her cycling through. Yeah, that'll help. Fuel, so that's good. And downhill. I don't even know how old this fuel is. It was just in this tank when I picked it up. It'll be 8, 9, 10, maybe 14 years old. I'm not sure. That's enough. Yeah. Okay, we got the little grill cranked down. No fire. Back in here. And there she goes. Just loyal. So we may have flooded her out a bit. folks. Sitting on the old Super Simplicity here, and last time you guys saw me, I was out, I think I was outside. I was like, oh, we're gonna go for a ride. Yeah, we're going for a ride. Well, I don't think we're going for a ride. I gotta go in there, I gotta fiddle around with that carb a little more. Then I'll go for a ride, so I don't know, this might be the end of this video for now, and then we'll probably throw up another video. I'll probably go ahead, off camera, go ahead, fiddle with that carb a little bit, get it all dialed. I made a little throttle here. Doesn't return too well, my spring ain't that strong, but not bad for a day's work, if I must say so myself. Does run and drive. I did putter down the driveway and back. About 10 mile an hour. Up and down, turn around, brought her back. Decided, oh hey, I think I'd rather fix my governor than let her run wide open. Just wah! Like a trouble child. We don't want that. So, where we are. Next step, yank that carb. Yank the blower shroud. Our little return spring here, that's what's messing us up. We need to run that through first and then just adjust on her so our RPMs are just not sitting up there. It does run, does drive successfully. Exhaust does need to come off. Clear the grill and the hood, because that's bad. I like that hood. I like it a lot. So, remember, if you guys like this video, putting the camera back on. Remember, here. If you guys like this video, to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, that really helps me out. I'd really appreciate that. And I'm gonna get this carb cleaned up next, and get this governor fixed here, and then probably the next video you see of this little girl, I'm gonna have you on the old head mount on the old helmet, and we're gonna be romping her pretty hard. So, yeah, should be fun. And as you heard it, this is Gerkie's Get Her Done Garage signing out, and you keep turning those wrenches.